Navigating the world of patents can feel overwhelming, especially when you're tight on funds. But what if I told you that getting a patent without breaking the bank is entirely possible? Let's dive into how you can achieve this and how Patent PC can be your ally in this journey. First, let's talk about the basics. A patent is essentially a legal protection for your invention, giving you exclusive rights to it for a certain period. But the costs associated with filing a patent can be daunting. Between attorney fees, filing fees, and maintenance fees, it can quickly add up. However, there are strategies to minimize these costs. One of the most effective ways to save money is by leveraging resources that offer free or low-cost assistance. Patent PC is a fantastic platform that can help you navigate the patent process without the hefty price tag. They provide a range of services, including access to experienced patent attorneys who can guide you through the complexities of patent law. Now let's break down some practical steps you can take. Start by conducting a thorough patent search. This is crucial because it helps you determine if your invention is unique. Patent PC offers tools that can assist you in this search, ensuring you don't waste time or money on ideas that are already patented. Next, consider filing a provisional patent application. This is a cost-effective way to secure your invention for a year while you seek funding or develop your product further. It's less formal than a full patent application and can be filed with minimal costs. Patent PC can help you draft this application, ensuring it meets all legal requirements without the high costs typically associated with patent attorneys. Another option is to explore grants or competitions that support inventors. Many organizations offer funding for innovative ideas, which can cover your patent costs. Patent PC can provide insights into these opportunities, connecting you with resources that can help fund your invention. Networking is also key. Join inventor groups or online forums where you can share your ideas and seek advice. Often, you'll find individuals who have navigated the patent process and can offer valuable tips. Patent PC can help you connect with these communities, enhancing your chances of success. Finally, once you've secured your patent, it's time to think about monetization. This is where Patent PC truly shines. They can assist you in understanding how to license your patent or even sell it outright, turning your idea into a revenue stream. So, if you're ready to take the leap and protect your innovation without financial strain, visit patentpc.com. Speak with expert patent attorneys at Patent PC Law Firm and discover how to monetize your innovations today. Don't let a lack of funds hold you back from bringing your ideas to life. Take action now and unlock the potential of your inventions.